Hey everyone, I'm Dynamic John Mickle of Dynamic Carpet Care, and every day I'm asked how to remove stains from a carpet. One of the ones I get asked all the time is how do I take out red candle wax from a carpet? I'm going to show you how to do that now. A couple things you're going to need. You're going to need a white cloth, damp cloth, and you're going to need a steam iron. What you'll do next is you're going to take the damp cloth, place it on the wax, then take the steam iron and put it on top of the white towel and start ironing that area for about 5 seconds. You'll see the red wax being transformed onto the towel. Repeat that step several times and you should get the wax out completely. If for some reason that doesn't work, contact a local professional or feel free to email me at dynamiccarpetcaretampa.com. So I hope this helped you removing red candle wax from your carpet. I'm John Mickle with Dynamic Carpet Care, and keep it clean, my friends.